Hi guys, how y'all doing? Today we're going to make a really quick and easy one. We're going to make a mango chutney. It's mango season here, so we might as well make the most of it and make our own mango chutney. So let's show you how to make it. Now what I'll do, we need to peel the skins, dice up the mango and dice up an onion. So I'll just get on and do it, and then we'll make the mango chutney. So all we're going to do is peel off the skin, and then we'll dice up the mangoes and put to one side. As you can see guys, these are quite firm but ripe, so they're absolutely perfect for mango chutney. So let's just take off the skins and then we'll dice up the mangoes. So with the mango guys, what we have a stone inside. Okay, it's a thin stone which runs down the inside of the mango. So if we just slice down the middle and then slice down that side, we're coming down each side of the stone, and then you can just take across the stone, take the flesh off. Oops, very slippery these things. So that is a stone there. Now if you can see, it's very fibrous there, but we can still get a little bit of mango off just to throw in our bowl. That's it. So it is very, very slippy. We can't get much more off there. That's the stone. So let's crack on. So all we need to do then is basically just slice into cubes. Now it depends how big you want. You're in complete charge of the size of the cubes that you actually want. Okay? But to me, that's quite big enough. So all we need to do now is put that in a bowl. And nice and steady, we'll peel all the mangoes, and then we're on with the onion. Right guys, that's our mango cubed up. All we need to do now is cube up an onion. So nice and steady. Oh, we got a small knife. Just cube up the onion. So that's our ingredients then. Cubed up onion and some mango. So let's get cooking. There we go guys, what we want to do is we need to add our onions into the pan, and we're just going to stir fry those until they're translucent. One level chef spoon of garlic and ginger in there with the onions, stir it all around, and we need to cook out the rawness. So we need to cook out the rawness of the ginger and garlic and onions, but we do not want to brown this in any way. We want to add a few chili flakes. We want some spice in there. Teaspoon of garam masala. Give it all a stir in. And we've got that fantastic Indian flavour already. And then what we want to do is add about 3 heaped teaspoons. So we're going to add about 3 heaped teaspoons of palm sugar. Give that a mix in. A pinch of salt. Just give that a stir in, mix it up a little bit. The smell of this already is absolutely incredible. And then we want to add about half a cup of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of water. And then we need to get that to the boil. What we need to add is about half a teaspoon of turmeric. Nice and steady. Boil it up, and then we want to simmer for about 30 minutes till it thickens. Alright guys, once it's all thick and gloopy like that, we need to add our mango. So stir the mango in. Coat it with all that lovely spice ingredients that we have there. Now, what you can do, we don't want this to burn, and if it doesn't give out any juice, what we need to do is add a little bit of water. So add just a little splash of water. Let's keep it loose in the pan and cook it for about 6 or 7 minutes, just to make it a little bit tender and cook through. Now don't forget, keep giving it a stir, because we don't want to burn this. Nice and easy. Don't boil it away. And I can smell the mango and the garam masala. Oh, fantastic. So we can see we're starting to get a bit of a thick sauce. So need to give it a taste test. Oh wow, wow, that doesn't need anything. That is unbelievable. That's quite a little bit spicy from the chili. Absolutely fantastic flavour from the mango. And really not overly sweet either actually. That is really, really nice. So let's just cook this for about 7 minutes, just to soften up some of this mango, and some of it will actually dissolve into our mango chutney. Right guys, you can take this down as much as you want, but I honestly don't believe that we ought to take this down any more than that. Because don't forget, when this cools down, this is going to thicken up. So we just need to turn it off the heat and let it cool down. And that is our mango chutney made. Now, if you weren't happy, if you had too many big lumps in there, now you don't have too many lumps. That is an absolutely fantastic chutney. So let's let this cool down, and then we can give it a proper taste test. Right, let's give this mango chutney the ultimate taste test on a poppadom. Oh man. Oh, that is amazing. Oh, that is absolutely amazing. That is incredible. Oh. Absolutely amazing. Chunks of soft mango. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget like and subscribe, share with your friends. We'll catch you next time.